Nusa Medica was proud to provide medical standby support at the Monkey Forest Run 2025, ensuring every runner stayed safe from start to finish. Our standby team, Dr. Wisnu, Nurse Markanti, and ambulance crew Gungde and Hussein were on site and ready. A few participants experienced muscle pain and cramps, but thanks to quick action and care from our paramedics, they recovered smoothly and safely. Because at Nusa Medica, your health is our finish line. Need medical standby for your next event? Just contact us.
Okay, so the best thing you can prepare before you go to like all sport event, running, cycling, maybe like football, is to sleep well, like sleep early the day before to get like the full stamina of your body, and also to keep your health at least a week before the event start, and also keep the good intake, eat the nutritious food, drink enough water or all liquid, and then you can enjoy and win your sport event. Thank you.